If you're searching for the best construction management courses on Coursera, you're in the right place. In this review, I'll cover the top programs, who they're best for, and which one offers the most value. Before we begin, check the link in the description. Coursera is currently offering 40% off the monthly Coursera Plus plan for your first 3 months, making it an affordable way to access these courses. Let's start with my top pick. Construction Management by Columbia University is the best overall program for most learners. This beginner-friendly specialization has a 4.7-star rating from nearly 10,000 reviews. It teaches construction estimating, scheduling, cost control, project finance, bidding, and real-world construction management practices. If you want the most complete learning path, this is the course I recommend. If you're looking for a shorter option, Construction Project Management, also from Columbia University, is an excellent choice. It has a 4.8-star rating from more than 7,400 learners. You'll learn project planning, contract management, risk management, building information modeling, and construction scheduling in just one course. Another strong option is Construction Management Fundamentals from the University of Maryland. It focuses on project controls, estimating, leadership, facility management, and construction risk management. It's ideal if you're building a solid foundation before taking advanced courses. For experienced professionals, project management and construction from L&T EduTech is worth considering. It covers stakeholder management, procurement, quality management, scheduling, and earned value management in greater depth. You should also look at engineering project management from Rice University. Although it's designed for engineering projects, many of its lessons on planning, budgeting, procurement, and stakeholder management apply directly to construction projects. If you're completely new to project management, Google's Foundations of Project Management is another great starting point before moving into construction-specific training. Overall, Columbia University offers the strongest construction management programs on Coursera. Beginners should start with the Specialization, while professionals can combine it with more advanced courses from L&T EduTech or the University of Maryland. Since most of these programs are included with Coursera Plus, it's usually much cheaper than paying for each course separately. You can complete multiple certificates under one subscription. If you'd like to explore these construction management courses or claim the current Coursera Plus discount, you'll find both links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.